Unscrew the 2 screws. The screws are of different lengths, one long and one short. Don't mix them up when tightening. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the top screw. There are 2 more screws underneath. Open the cover, then unscrew these 3 screws. Then unscrew these 2 screws. Operate slowly and carefully, and don't damage the 25-pin flat cable. Remove the outer packaging, then pull it out. When connecting, make sure the small bump is on the back, and the flat side faces forward. In the end, just reassemble everything the same way you took it apart.